What's happening, everyone? JP here from Crypto Hobby, and wanted to cover several things today. I wanted to do some updates on some of the mobile apps and wallets that I've been using. Did a video yesterday on the new KINit Mobile App that came out that allows you to do surveys and earn free cryptocurrency on your phone. But I couldn't actually do a survey because it was I had already done one for that day previously, and so it will only let you do so many per day. So we'll get into that. And also I wanted to give you some of my thoughts on the Reddcoin Core Wallet and the Electroneum Mobile Miner. This channel is pretty much all about trying to earn free cryptocurrency. I mean, there's a lot of apps and stuff out there that allow you to earn cryptocurrency right on your phone or on your desktop, and you don't have to join cloud mining services and pay all this money for contracts and get locked in and all this stuff. I was always turned off by that stuff, and now it turns out that a lot of those are just going down the drain. So yeah, I've always been trying to find a way to earn these cryptocurrencies just using the mobile apps or the desktop wallets that they offer, because there's a lot of them out there. So if I can find those and share them with you, then I definitely will do that. Today's Sunday, July 22nd, and the market is good. It looks stable. It's at 282 billion for the market cap total, and Bitcoin dominance is at 45%. Bitcoin is at 74.45. Ethereum is at 465. And there's a lot of winners here. You can see a lot of green. Stellar for the 7 days up 35%. So congratulations to anybody that has that. That's great. Cardano also up 20%. It's at 17 cents. Its all-time high was over $1.20 or $1.30. Going down the line here real quick, you can see, let's see, what was Tron doing? Tron's kind of 3% up for the 7 day, and Neo is not. Yeah, they're about flat. Let's see, keep going down here. Bitcoin Diamond, wow. I don't know what's going on with that. 56% for the 24-hour and 67% for the 7 day. 67% gain, that's huge. Dogecoin also 45% up for 7 days. That's great. Very good. And down to KIN, which we'll be talking about in a minute. 55% for the 7 day, and that's really good. So there's quite a few. There's a lot of them that are up. It's kind of a mix. You got some green, some red, all the way down. But at least we're not all red. So we were all red for a long time, and so it's nice to be out of that. So previously, I've done videos on Reddcoin Core Wallet and trying to earn some crypto through staking on their platform, and so I have it open here. And it just got done updating. There's a green bar down here on the bottom that says, updating when you first turn it on. And I like Reddcoin a lot. I like the project. I'm a huge supporter of theirs. Their community is strong, and I love that about a project. I love it when they have lots of social activity and good social signals. But this Reddcoin Core Wallet, I've never really had any luck with it. I don't know why. It's green, it's staking right here, and I've got some videos showing how to set this up, and so that it doesn't take forever for it to update. But right here it says your average weight, and it says your total weight, if you can see that, and then And then this says expected to earn a reward once every 20 days is what it says for me. Well, it doesn't matter how many days I leave this thing on, running 24 hours a day, that number just doesn't change very much. If it does, it might go down a little bit, but then it just goes right back up again. So I don't know if I just don't have enough. Maybe you need more coins. Then I don't have a huge amount of coins in here. I've got 10,000 or so, which isn't very much, but you would think it would be enough to earn something, but apparently it's not. I guess maybe you have to have millions of coins in there or something. So I'm not trying to put down the project or anything or spread any FUD, and that's why I really haven't done a lot of update videos on Reddcoin Core Wallet, because I don't like to do that, but I have to also give you my opinion. And I just haven't had any luck with this one, so so it is what it is. It sits there, and that's where I have my coins, some of them. But anyway, just an update on that. If anybody has any suggestions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And so the next thing I wanted to talk about was the Electroneum Mobile Miner, which I've done several videos on. And if anyone needs to know how that works, or wants more specific information on setting it up and stuff, I have several videos on this. But if we take a look at it, the mining history that I've had over here, it's been okay. It's a solid way to earn crypto, earn Electroneum, and they have about 133,000 active miners on there now. They just hit 2 million users overall. So 133,000 of them are mining right now, and you can see all the information on the front here. And the only observation, I'm going to say this is a great way to earn crypto. It is, because download the app and start earning crypto. I like that. That's how it should work. That's exactly what should happen. And you can see through my history that I've had a lot of good payouts. The only thing I'm gonna say is back in June or July, whenever they did that major change, that major update, fork, I guess it was, I noticed a substantial decrease in the payouts, and it went down. It got cut in about half of what it was before. So I was earning anywhere from 20 to 30 of these Electroneums per day, and now it's down to about 10 and 14. You can see 14 on this one. I got 18 and 17 2 days in a row here, but that was rare, because normally if you go back here, it's 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 11. And still, again, I shouldn't complain. It's free. So, it's a great thing that they're offering this for. I'm just saying, I just noticed after that, whatever happened with that update that they did, it definitely went down. So I sent them an email about it. I don't know if there's anything they can do. It doesn't really matter. I mean, I'm earning it for free. I'm not complaining. But I'm going to tell you guys the good, the bad, and the ugly. And if something works, great, then I'm going to say it's great. If there's problems or if I notice changes, I'm going to tell you that too. So that's it for Electroneum. Love Electroneum. I love the project. I think it's a solid, rock solid project. They're doing a great job, and I love what they're doing. So let's go over to KIN, and that's what we were talking about earlier. And I was doing trying to do some surveys yesterday, but it wouldn't let me. So let me go over here and we'll get into it. So I've got my screen open over here on the KIN app on my Android. It's an S7 that I'm using. So when you first open this thing up, it's going to go to, at the bottom here, if you can see it, it's going to go to this earn screen, which is here. And so it'll say something like, you ready to start earning? And then it's going to have you a survey for you. So this is called dress up time, and it's going to give me 10 KIN. So I press start earning down here, and it's going to ask me some questions. And so this one might be let's see what it says. Okay, the dress neckline is, and then I'm going to identify what it is. This is probably a way to just verify that you're not just clicking on the buttons randomly, because some people might just go through here and just click, 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 and do it in 3 seconds, and they're not even looking at what the answers are. So they're probably wanting to verify. I don't even know what pattern that is. This next one says the dress has the following pattern. Those might be flowers. Let's just try flowers there. And then the dress main color is, looks kind of yellowish, yellow. The dress length is, it's not mini, is it? I don't know what that is. Okay, I would say midi. I don't know. So anyway, so then it'll give you, it was 310, now it's going to go up to 320. And it'll give me another survey, probably. Tap to finish. And then, yeah, so it's going to be an A or B. So that last one was kind of to verify that I'm actually looking at what the answers are, that I'm not just randomly doing it. This one I can start earning kin for, and it'll give me 12. Approximate time to finish is 0.5 minutes or a half a minute, 30 seconds. So start earning, this is an A or B situation. What do you prefer? Which kind of donuts do you prefer? Probably those. What's better, top or bottom? I'll try the bottom one. What to choose, top or bottom? Try the top one. Like strawberries or whatever this other stuff is, try that one. Healthy, fast food, what's better? I like the fruit better. Raspberries or strawberries? I'm going to pick raspberries. And I don't know what these are. This looks not healthy. And then, wow, not healthy. Try some water over Coke. And, good gracious. Okay, so that's 320. Now it's going to add on to that. And so on. Tap to finish. So you get the idea. We'll just keep going. And I don't know how many it'll give me today. But all that you earn is free. And so that's good. Another way to earn. And so I did a video yesterday, a little more detail about this app, and you can check it out if you want to. But that's actually doing the survey so that you can see. And so I'm also going to be talking about Aircoins, and I'm not going to do an in-depth video on it today, but Aircoins is going to be good, I believe. It's just like Pokemon Go. If anybody remembers how that is, you just it uses your Google Maps to send you places and to find coins. And so when you click on this, it's got a little map of where you are and what's going on. And then it shows you that this is me, the blue in the middle is me, and then the little coins are around me. So I can zoom in on it if I want. I can walk outside, and then when I think I'm close to one of the coins, and they've got them all over the place, not just right around you, but they're all over. If you zoom out, you can see that they're everywhere. There's lots of them. And so there's coins all over the place to be found. So you go, and then when you find them, you click on this little AR button right down here, and then it uses your camera, and so you actually see what's going on. I'll do it real quick. I'll aim it at my wall over here. So it's looking for coins. Now it's going through my camera, and so if there were coins right in front of me, it would show a coin right there, and like right here, it would show a coin, and then I would click on it, and it would give me some coins. So let me switch back over to Aircoins. And so I did that this morning, and it gave me some coins. Let me see. Yeah, there it is right there. It gave me 25 coins because I went and found them. These are Aircoins. Are going to be, you'll be able to trade them for other coins, or they will be listed on an exchange soon. Whenever they're ready, they'll be listed on an exchange. But there's also going to be other partners that are going to be partnering with. There already are with Aircoins, and they're going to be also coins that you can find. You can go out there and find, and then you can do the same process and click on it, and then it'll give you those coins. So other companies, you know, like whoever, I don't know, McDonald's, probably not McDonald's, but other companies will be on there and they'll have a coin, and you'll be able to find them and click on it, and you'll get those coins, and they'll be in here in this wallet for you. So that's how it works. It's pretty simple, but I'm going to get more in depth about that, more in detail in the future. So I just kind of stumbled on this thing, and I know there's other videos out there too on this, but this is going to be all about, you know, especially mobile apps. I just think the mobile apps are the way to go, and I you know, if companies are offering these coins and a mobile app and a way for you to earn them for free, then, you know, hopefully I'm gonna find out about it, and I'm gonna share it with you. And if you guys know about any that are legit, not scams, just legit, and not, you know, we don't want a bunch of spam on our phones. We want real apps from real projects, real companies that will be able to allow us to earn cryptocurrency, then leave a comment below. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna be making much more of these videos to try to keep you informed on these better ways to earn cryptocurrency, and you know, ways other than going out and spending all your money investing in ICOs and things. It's fine if you want to do that. There are a lot of good ICO projects out there, but they're hard to evaluate. It's hard to determine whether they're good or not. And even if you know what you're doing, it's very difficult. And even if they are 100% legit and they're trying their best, they could still fail. And it's just such a risky area. To me, it'd be much better to get these apps, and, you know, some for the desktop too, but I think the apps are the future. I think earning crypto on apps is going to be the future. They're going to be big. So that's my opinion. So anyway, so if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, and I will definitely keep you guys updated. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.